How to get this head tracking effect in under 1 minute. Let's go. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you've imported your footage into After Effects. Once you've done that, you can just drag it here into the projects. I've double clicked it, so it's showing up here. I'm going to right click and then say new comp from selection. So it's going to create a new composition over here. From here, I'm going to double click it to bring it back up here into this layer. Then I'm going to come over here to my tracker. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to stabilize motion. Now it's created a tracking point over here, which I'm going to actually enlarge so that it has more pixels. And now it's all about finding a spot. I'm going frame by frame at the moment. Since I don't want to stick with it. So sometimes you might need to actually go frame by frame so it knows exactly the tracking point that you are looking for. And once you're happy with your results, I'm going to actually click apply to X and Y. We're going to say yes, and I'm just going to scale her up to 125, and let's see the results here. Pretty cool. That's 1 minute, and that's how you use the camera tracking to make edits like this.
Here comes the revolution. We the evolution. A new era of resistance. Proud to the people in the movement. You can't stop the people. We in the battle versus good and evil.